Hello dear students, welcome to Indian Advanced Studies. In this video we will see the rank list of TNEA, which is very important. So what you need to do and how you have to check, that is important. So I'm going to tell you a step-by-step guide that how you can check TNEA 2020 rank list and cutoff. So before that, you are requested to make sure that you are subscribing this channel, because this is the exclusive channel that has been made for TNEA 2020 updates. All right, so how you have to check, that is also important. Most of the students are searching in a wrong way, they end up with getting the wrong result. And in this video I'm going to tell you a step-by-step guide कि कैसे आप how you can check. So before that, you have to follow my instructions, and that is very important, because if you are not following, you will end up with getting the wrong result. So what you need to do is you have to search in the same way how I am doing. You have to open your Google, any of your browser, and type there google.com, and after that you have to search for the term what I am searching, TNEA 2020, and after that you have to write IAS paper. IAS paper is the exclusive website that is dealing with TNEA 2020, and then you have to search. As soon as you'll be searching on this Google and any page here, you can find TNEA 2020, and after that you can find IAS paper. Exactly, this is what we need. Just click on this. As soon as you'll be clicking on this, you'll be landing on a new page, and this is what that thing is. Alright, I have made this page to 150% zoom so that it will be more visible for you. So here you can find TNEA 2020 rank list released, and the rank list has been released on 28th September, and the random number has been available on 26th October, 26th August. All right, so here you can find TNEA rank list released. Click here to check rank list. Okay, so you have to click on this, and then you will be able to check the rank list. Before that, you are requested that make sure you are filling this form, which is very important to get the free updates of TNEA. Here you need to write your full name, your email address, your contact number, means your mobile number, your city, your state. For example, I'm from Tamil Nadu, so I'll be writing Tamil Nadu. If you are from somewhere else, definitely you have to write, and in which city you are staying. I'm from Karur, so if you are from somewhere else, then select over there in which course you are interested. I'm interested in BTech, and in which, what is your highest qualification? My highest qualification is 12th, and then you have to click on get free counseling. As soon as you will be clicking on this, you will start getting updates from TNEA for free of cost, and you don't have to pay anything for this. And also you will start getting updates from various universities, colleges, and institutions. All right, so here you have to click on this. As soon as you'll be clicking on this, you'll be landing on a new page, and before that, there's a good news for you that India's top 8 universities have opened their admission for everyone. And if you really want to take admission into this, definitely you should, because these universities are providing 100% placement rate and 100% placement to the students, and also the international students are also coming in these universities. So you will have a cultural exchange, talent exchange, knowledge exchange, language exchange. So I will be highly recommending you, definitely you should fill this form, which you can find the link in the description, and you should definitely take admission. Here you can find rank list. If you have filled this form, just simply correct. Here you can find TNEA rank list released. Okay, merit list, call letter, everything you can find here. You have to click. As soon as you'll be clicking on this, you'll be landing on a page here, public rank list released. Okay, public rank list released. So how you can check? Ranks are assigned to all applicable candidates. So what you need to do is you have to click on this. As soon as you're clicking on this, you need to write your email address. Okay, to TNEA .org. Alright, and here you need to write your password. As soon as you will entering your password, you will get your rank list, which is in front of you. And this is how you need to check. And if you want to check the cutoff, just come here and click on cutoff, and if you are here, rank list out, cutoff, release, and everything you can find over here. So here you can check the previous year cutoffs, which is free of cost. Proceed, and if you want to proceed, then you can click on this, and all those details are available over here, which is free of cost. And if you think that I have really helped you, definitely subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching.